Welcome to our lesson on unit conversions. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we are looking at which number completes the equation 18,000 feet equals blank miles. So what we need to do is identify where we're starting with. Our starting unit is 18,000 feet. And then we need to identify where we need to get. We need to get to miles. So we're trying to convert from our unit of feet into a unit of miles. So go ahead and write the value that we are given, which is 18,000 feet. So 18,000, and then put your unit of feet. It's important to remember to put that unit there so that we can cancel out later on. So now that we have our starting unit of 18,000 feet, we want to find out our conversion rate. So go ahead and look on your conversion sheet to find out how many feet are in a single mile. When you look to your sheet, you should find that 5,280 feet is equal to 1 in mile. For miles we'll put mi. So now that we have our conversion, we want to multiply our starting unit in value by this ratio. So we need to decide which unit we're going to put in our numerator, which one we're going to put in our denominator. Since our goal is to cancel out our starting unit of feet in order to get to miles, we're going to put our unit of feet in our denominator. Go ahead and write 5,280. We're going to take our number from our conversion. So 5,280. In our numerator, we're going to put our value of 1 and then our unit of miles. So here we have our starting unit of 18,000 feet, and we're multiplying it by the ratio of 1 mile over 5,280 feet. And this ratio here is equal to this here. So now we just need to solve this equation here. So go ahead and set that equal to, we have a unit of feet in our numerator times a unit of, or divided by a unit of feet in our denominator. Those will cancel out, so we get rid of our units of feet. So then we multiply 18,000 times 1 and carry over our unit of miles. And that is divided by the product of our denominators, which is just 5,280. And since our unit of feet were canceled out, we just put 5,280. And now we just plug this into our calculators. Multiply 18,000 times 1 and divide that entire quantity by 5,280. And when you do so, you should get approximately 3.4. And then for our unit, we carry over our unit that we have left, which is miles. So that is our answer. 18,000 feet is equal to 3.4 miles.